Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Plo with Option Snipers, and today was an extremely exciting and profitable day. So we actually went up 5.5%. The whole market went up 5.5%, which is $20.5 on SPY, and we're up another 0.2% in after hours. So things are looking very, very exciting. And while I wouldn't say we've broken the bear market yet, because we are still down 20% from our highs, this is a very, very, very good sign that we are slowly beating inflation. So the purpose of this spike, this happened because inflation has gone down 4 points, so from 8.1% last month to 7.7% this month. That is great. That means the Fed is doing their job, doing very, very, very well. And we're seeing gains all around because we broke our resistance, broke our previous resistance here at 385, and we kept climbing and climbing through previous resistance till now we closed at 394.70. So that is the highest we've seen SPY in a really, really long time. And for all of you guys that have been buying the dip, it's already paid off. And if you're selling calls, even better. So it's been absolutely amazing. We had many opportunities to profit on this day. So what I did was I took puts at open, sell them. I wouldn't say I sold the bottom, but I definitely bought the top at 242, then sold around here at 328. So that was very profitable. And instead of switching and buying calls to the upside, I played it safe. I called it a day on options at least. When we actually started climbing in, I bought SPXS, which is inverse SPY 3 times. I bought $1,000, sold it pretty quickly on a scalp here, bought again here, sold it pretty quickly on another scalp there. And what a scalp is basically you're entering a trade and exiting within 45 minutes. So this qualifies as a day trade, and it's what I mainly do besides swings. So there's just so many opportunities all around. If you got in for calls, even at the start of the day here, you're extremely profitable. I mean, $4,000 could turn into $100,000 at the end of the day. So a lot of opportunities, just a great reversal and a perfect gap fill in just after hours. So that was pretty crazy. You love to see days like this. This means we're really starting to come back out of this bear market. And since a bear market is when you're down 20% on the year, and we're now very, very close to actually beating that, that means we could be seeing a very big reversal. Now, to give you guys an idea on where we are, if we pull up the year-to-date chart, you can see we've got a trend line going here on these rejections. So what we're hoping for, or at least long-term investors, are hoping that we continue this climb back up to, let's say, 409 or even lower. But if we can break out, we could totally skyrocket. Of course, these next rejections would be our resistance points. But if we can just break out of the main trend line, we're going to be set to skyrocket. And this is not based on just my opinions. This is actual facts and evidence of what has happened in the past. So we're looking for a very, very, very big move if we see a breakout. Of course, no one can predict the future, so we're going to trade according to technical analysis, meaning if we do end up hitting this trend line and then rejecting, we're going to trade puts. We're going to go in on puts, and that'll probably be a pretty big move for the rejection and actually getting rejected. So very, very profitable opportunities. Now, we can also see that stocks like NEO, AMD, and Amazon, which are usually very volatile stocks, are up a ton. So unfortunately, I was not able to fill for puts because I was working from 3 to 4:30, so I was not able to fill. However, I did buy some SPXS, some more SPXS in the aftermarket, and the reason I love SPXS, the post-market, the reason I love it is because you don't deal with theta, you don't deal with low volatility, killing your contracts. So it's great. You're literally just inversing the price of the stock, and it's 3 times like I said, so there's a lot of money potential. So while this isn't financial advice, I'm not telling you to get an SPXS right now. That is just my plan for this week. Tomorrow is Friday. So if we close green on Friday, tomorrow, if we close green, I will get in many put positions because we're going to have stocks, for example, Peloton, which is up almost 16.5% today. We're going to have that maybe up another 5 or 6%. That'll be an amazing swing for the week. Chewy, that's up 20%. I really, really wish I could have filled the puts today, but if it's up tomorrow, all the better. We'll get an amazing price. What else? We got Coinbase up 11% when Bitcoin is bearish, so it's a great entry as well. And Upstart up 30%. So I'm really regretting not getting into swings, but these are amazing opportunities for anyone that's either got in or tomorrow for a swing to the weekend. So these are very, very exciting times. We're seeing the market, basically everything's up. I mean, you never see Bank of America up 4.5% in one day. So this is super exciting. That tells us that there could potentially be a very, very big move. So we're ready for it. And us as options traders, we profit when stocks go up or down either way. So we're happy for whatever, especially when we can get a good amount of volatility like we have been this year. So guys, I'll be making more videos on this. My plan always changes. It adapts as price moves. So I'll keep you guys updated. Make sure to like and subscribe. And if you can, go ahead and join our Discord server in the description below. And you can get set up with our alerts and our live trades. So you guys can actually trade with us, see what we're doing, and get just a better experience trading in the market. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.